Parents are begging for answers this evening following the fatal shooting of their son in Browns Lane Central Village in St. Catherine by the police. Romardo Lyons has details.
Officer, good night. Can I have a word with you? I hear that you kill my son.
A sentence she struggled to say, but one she had to. Her son, 37-year-old Joseph Campbell, was killed by police officers. To her dismay, she didn't get an answer.
Nobody answer me. Until when they come, about after 2 SWAT van come, and when a 2 big van come up, the 2 big van block the road. And when they come round, turn to come up, like them come for him body then come up and then up about an hour. When the SWAT van come, that's the time that they come out, and you see them a lick our fist, and over put on gloves.
This house, a symbol of her son's last moments. Inside, furniture and belongings in disarray. The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM, says it was advised of the fatal shooting incident. The police reported that they were engaged in a shootout with men in the hills in the vicinity. INDICOM says police alleged that a 9mm pistol was recovered. The man's father rubbished those claims.
No bullet hole in the house, only the blood stain to show that he got shot in the house and going through the bathroom window.
Information Minister Robert Morgan responding to a question at the post-cabinet press briefing on Wednesday on whether the government is concerned about the increased police shootings in St. Catherine.
We cannot make a definitive statement on any of the incidents other than to say that if the police are confronted by criminals, the police have a right to take action. But we cannot pronounce on any particular incident until the constituted authority, which is the internal police mechanisms, as well as INDICOM, have finalized their investigations.
I want clarity for my son's name. Clarity.
Which part him a done, which part my gunman? He right down the same work every morning. He work right beside public service.
Residents want INDICOM to properly probe the incident.
You mean at my place I shake like leaf. I can't even ball out and hear my friend are dead. I can't do nothing at all. I wonder if this real.
When me in the house, me hear my ball out and I say, what me do? And after that, me hear 3 shots fire and then him ball out. And when him ball out now and me did it and me a look and then 3 more police me see are coming in the lane and then they start select their gun and then they run go up on yard.
Now INDICOM is probing the fatal shooting of 3 men in separate incidents between Friday and Saturday in St. Catherine. Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.